Your HVAC teacher lied to you when they told you a reversing valve is hard to change. It's very easy. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it without burning them up. Over the last 20 years in business, we've replaced hundreds, maybe thousands, and I've never burned one. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it and how I train people to change a reversing valve without melting them. Stay to the end of the video. I promise you, you're going to learn a lot. All right, I have a reversing valve here that we actually changed just last week. Okay, now what did your HVAC teacher tell you? Never do a reversing valve. They're hard. You'll burn 3 or 4 of them before you get one right. This is the issue. What did they teach you? They probably said, get a rag, douse it with water, cover it just like this, wrap that thing really, really, really good, and then start brazing, right? Well, what's the problem when you wrap a reversing valve like this? Let's take this side of the rag off. We'll imagine that it's on there, but we'll just kind of remove it so that you can see what it would look like. So you start welding here. You've got the rag wrapped around just like this. You start welding here. Well, the heat is going down around the outside and the water is protecting the actual valve body, right? But what about the inside? There's nothing to stop the heat from going down the middle of this, which is why you don't wrap it like this. That's step one. Step one on changing a reversing valve. Do not wrap that valve like this, okay? The first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna take that rag. Let's say this is your rag here. You're going to cut that rag down into strips just like this, okay? So instead of wrapping that thing around here like this and having the heat go down the middle, you're going to cut it into strips, douse it with water, and you're going to wrap each individual arm just like this, right? You're going to take 2 or 3 strips and you're going to wrap each finger individually, and then you're going to weld that one. You're not going to braze it and then braze it and then braze it and then cool it down. You're going to wrap it individually so water can't get, or heat can't get past the rag all the way around the individual one. Then you're going to braze this one and then you're going to cool it down, right? And then you're going to go to the next one. You'll have wrapped each one before you started. Then you do one, you cool it down, done. Then you go to the next one, you finish it, you cool it down, done. Then you go to the next one, you do it, you cool it down, and then you do the bottom. If it's upside down like this, it doesn't matter. You're still going to wrap them individually. If you do that, step one in changing reversing valve is wrap them individually. Step two is do one at a time, not 1, 2, 3, then cool. That's going to take too much heat, too much time. Wrap it individually, do it individually. I promise you, you will not burn any more reversing valves. You'll be able to change them with confidence. You'll be able to give your customer more options. It won't just be a, oh my gosh, the reversing valve is gone, you have to replace the unit. You will actually be able to offer reversing valve change out as an option. I've done it many, many times. You can too. This is Michael Johnson from AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning. Thank you for watching.